This is the video to demonstrate each distinctive sound of our airsoft gun in our arsenal. Safety comes first, always wear safety goggle. Our demonstrator over there is going to perform this test. The first in our arsenal will be the AK-74M UTG AK-74 rifle. Effective range 120 feet, 300 FPS. Fully auto. And second would be the AIM-M4 with the AK&K box mag. And that weapon in the arsenal is the JT3A shotgun. The FPS. And third weapon, and the fourth weapon in the arsenal would be the HFC M190 M9 Airsoft Weapon, semi-auto version, full metal. Last weapon in the arsenal is the HFC salvaging bow revolver, 325 PS.
Holy shit. Uh-oh.